Guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here. Let me clean my lens, excuse me. Thanks again for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and give a like. Help support the channel. I don't make any money off this, guys. I'm just trying to grow. It would be nice if I got to the point where I did make money. I got 9,000 something people to go before I could earn anything. I'm a long way from that. I'm just trying to make 1,000. Help me get there. Today I'm working on an 08 Chevy Impala. The windshield washer linkage, the transmission linkage, pops off. I bought one of those Dorman bushing repair kits. I had replaced a couple of the bushings. This one is already worn out. I just put a new one back in there again. I don't expect this to hold up. They wanted $100 and something from the parts store. I found one on eBay for 44 bucks after tax. They're all junk. So I figured I may as well go with the cheapest junk, right? So my battery wasn't charged this morning, so I took this apart. So I'm going to show you how to do this in reverse order. I'm just going to video myself reassembling it. Disassembly is reverse of this. It's a little tricky to get this in here. It's a tight squeeze. Got to kind of walk it in there. I forget which way it went now. Yeah, this first. I believe it went that way. Yep. I gotta walk it in that way. Make sure this end goes into that body hole. It fits right in there. Get your wire out of the way and connect that before you put it in all the way, or you're not going to be able to get to that wiring harness. To disconnect this, you have to pull back on the gray tab and then depress it, and it'll pop off. When you put it back on, lock that gray tab back in and slide that body piece in first. Get that there. Then it's just 3 10mm bolts. I've got a 10mm swivel head socket on here, but you can use a regular socket and ratchet if you don't have access to this. This is a great set of tools. Porta cable. I bought these at Lowe's, 99 bucks. I got the impact driver, and you can buy these little tips that fit for different size sockets. I got that set for 99 bucks. Very happy with this. I also got AC Delco power ratchets and a little impact driver, and they have been invaluable with saving time. I'm going to start these by hand because I don't want to cross thread anything. So I'm just going to get a couple of threads in there by hand. Then I'll run them in with the power ratchet, the impact driver. Real easy to cross thread stuff. Putting it in with a power tool for the first couple of threads, not advisable. Start it by hand. Play it safe. Ask me how I know. I won't tell you. Yeah, I stripped out some things. That's how I know. Always start them by hand. Now, when you're going to remove this, you have to make sure that you let your windshield washer motor come to rest, because it'll get in the right position for you to reassemble it and reinstall your wiper arms. If you shut it off midway, you're going to have problems with your arms being aligned, all right? Very simple job. You're going to have to remove the cowl cover. This side comes out second, so it's going to be reinstalled first. The other one overlaps this one. Make sure you tuck your wiper hose in there, your washer hose. This one goes under the passenger side. Get that hose in there. There is a clip on here for that, I believe. Yes, there is. I clip it on there. You don't want up. The clip just broke. That's not good. It's not going to get caught up in a transmission anyway. I'll leave it up on the edge. To remove these, you have the little rubber tabs. You have to pull the center out, and then you're able to remove them. They're push pins. I'll show you them right now. There's 3 of these on here. I'm missing one. This piece is depressed in and it spreads this. So to remove it, you have to take this out and then pick it out. You can use a body panel removal tool or a screwdriver. Try not to mutilate them. Gonna have to reuse them. They just go in, then you push the center down when you're reinstalling them. Very simple. You can buy replacements of these at a parts store too. They have packs with various sizes, or you could ask the guy at the counter, they'll give you the right ones. To get your windshield arms out, you're going to have to lift up on it, lift up on your arm and wiggle it a little bit. It's splined on there. It's going to be a little difficult to get off at first. You can mark them on the windshield if you're not sure about where they should lay. You can put a piece of tape there if you'd like. The longer arm goes on the passenger side. These are 16mm nuts to remove these. And you're going to need a screwdriver to pop off these plastic cover caps. I ordered the other arm because I know this bushing isn't going to last. It's going to pop off again. So I'm just going to replace the linkage, the transmission linkage on here. Not worth the aggravation. I don't need to get caught out in a snowstorm or a sleet storm and have my wipers stop working. That's not a good scene. Like I said, these are a 16 mil. And then your end caps go on. Don't forget to reinstall your engine seal that goes there. Where the hell did I have 15mm one to go? What the hell happened? I'm missing a 15mm swivel socket. I know I had one on there. Did I lose that? That's not good. We don't like losing tools. I'm a freak with keeping my tools in good order. I gotta look for that. Maybe that set didn't even come with that. Not a complicated job. Much easier to do this by yourself. Save yourself some money. Don't waste your time going to a garage to get this done. I want to see if this pops off right away. Maybe it'll work for a little while. I put new wiper blades on here, so I think I'm getting more resistance. Yeah, they popped off already. You see that? It already popped off. Well, I got a car with inoperable wipers right now. Nice. I love that. Never a dull moment, guys, huh? Well, that's how you replace or repair a windshield wiper transmission linkage on an 08 Impala. I hope this is useful information to somebody. Maybe I should have got mine at the parts store. Mine's not going to get here for like a week or so. That kind of sucks. I need windshield wipers. I had my transmission act up on my Mercedes. That one right there. I reset it. I'm hoping it was just a temporary glitch, or I'm screwed. I gotta just hope it doesn't rain, huh? Or snow. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a like, and remember, guys, take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Enjoy your new year and decade. All right, bye-bye, guys.